Hello students and parents. In this video lesson, I will be going over our reading assignment from earlier today. So let's go ahead and get started. So first things first, let's put our date. Okay, now we're going to be doing a character analysis on the character Bluebird in our story Bluebird and Coyote. So let's go ahead and draw our circle. And inside of our circle, we're going to write the character's name, Bluebird. And then we're going to draw a picture of our character. So there's my character, and you can color her in. So then that way she is colorful because she is a bluebird. Okay, then after that, we are going to draw each of the different things that help us analyze this character. So what does she feel in the story? What does she hear in the story? What does she do in the story? What is she thinking in the story? And what does she see in the story? Okay, and for each of these different shapes, you're going to write at least two things per shape. I will be attaching a video of the book to this assignment, so that way you can listen to the book before filling out the assignment, but I need you to make sure that you are writing at least two things per shape inside for Bluebird. And always think about Bluebird. Okay, what is Bluebird feeling? What is Bluebird hearing? What is Bluebird doing? What is Bluebird thinking? What is Bluebird seeing in the story? And that is going to conclude our reading lesson. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Goodbye.